Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you a quick do-it-yourself tutorial on distressed jeans. So these jeans I actually picked up for $7.99 from the local thrift store. I'm pretty sure you can get them cheaper, but right now I'm just marking in chalk where I want to distress them. So as you can see here, I just went up one leg, down the other, nothing too crazy. And here I'm taking a pair of scissors and I'm going to cut the front part of the material. I made lines that were about 1 inch thick, and notice I did not cut all the way to the side seams. That's important, guys. Now right here I'm taking scissors and I'm just roughing up the material just a little bit. Give it more that distressed look. If this takes too long for you, you can definitely use a razor. This one right here is something you can get at the beauty supply store. Usually it's for eyebrows. Alright, so I'm taking the blade of my scissors and I'm just going to rough up the edges of my cuts. This is going to help so much in the next step. Look at that. Rough. So here you're going to take your tweezers and pull out the vertical threads. Once you've done that, I'm showing you kind of what it looks like in the middle. You want to make sure to follow that up by taking the threads off the right and the left. And this is the finished product. Thanks for watching, loves. If you happen to enjoy the video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more. Also, keep me updated if you happen to try the style. I want to see.